Pidgeotto is a dual-type normal and flying Pokemon introduced in Generation 1. It is the evolved form of Pidgey and evolves into Pidgeot at level 36. Pidgeotto is known for its striking appearance, with its large wings and sleek body. Its primary ability, Keen Eye, prevents it from being unable to lower its accuracy. Pidgeotto can be found in forests and grasslands, often seen soaring in the sky. It has a characteristic cry that sounds like a loud battle cry. Pidgeotto is known to be quite territorial, defending its nest vigorously from intruders. It's a favorite among trainers for its balanced stats and valuable flying type, making it useful for battles and navigation. In Pokemon games, Pidgeotto can learn a variety of moves, including Brave Bird, Air Slash, and Quick Attack, showcasing its versatility in combat. Pidgeotto is not just a strong battler, but also an important Pokemon for trainers starting their journey.